Dito sa lansangan ng Respect People, Jah Rastafari. May sarap magsaya ngayong gabi sa lansangan, halika at sumayaw ngayong gabi. Alisin ang problema mo sa iyong sarili, sa lansangan tayo'y magkakatabi.
Drop it. I don't mean to hurt you, dude, but I'm your boss now. All you haters stay back, cause it's finna go. Where they say I'm off the train, I'm more like off the meter. The leader, I get these girls wet like Aquafina. These other rappers mute, cause they ain't saying nothing. I'm super bad, get more action than make loving. Try to start something, y'all can never catch me. I'm a hit up in the race, so y'all people can never pass me. Get back when I rap fast, give you backlash when I get past, never get last. Like an outcast up in my class, and I'm so fast, I'm on top of my game like my name's B Nash.
Who's bad?
Yeah, turn me up.
You should fear me. Target eliminated.
T. Kruger, who young moolah, bitch just drop, shake like hula, hooper, hoover, king, Cooper. I'm shit, pooper, scooper, drunker than the motherfucker, high all night. And she looking in my eyes saying, you ain't right, shit, you ain't right, bitch, I ain't wrong. And I'm faded going dumb to the dun-dun-dun song. It's a fucking house party, fucking somebody. Just two-step, no, Ricky, Bobby. Drop top to the summer, I'm sorry. Pull up in tomorrow, 2 days to follow. Ready to get him, your girl waiting, my nigga. Where is you taking, my nigga? Fast car, why is you breaking, my nigga? Tastes like Skittles, tongue in the middle, just don't.
Don't drop that dun-dun-dun. Hey, don't drop that dun-dun-dun. Don't drop that dun-dun-dun. Don't drop that dun-dun-dun. Don't drop that dun-dun-dun.
Mga kababayan!
Well, it's that west side killer bitch, all about my paper. One hand on my yap, screaming finger fucker hater. 2 hands on my lap, 2 bitches ass naked. 300 on the drop, and I'm still your bitch favorite. I wanna, I get her, don't need her. Change them like seasons, fall off when I leave her. Yeah, I'm cashing out, and I'm riding with that Nina. Dick game ether, she don't speak no English. Arriba! While I'm going crazy, yeah, we in the party getting faded. Already fucked up, I don't know how I made it. And I'ma need a driver cause I drive intoxicated. A nigga can't tame me, 2 ladies entertain me. Put my money out, now the club raining. Lemonade Ciroc, now my face changing. Looking like cable as I'm standing on the table. Man, I wish a nigga would, like a tree in this bitch. Wish a nigga would, like a tree in this bitch. Wish a nigga would, like a tree in this bitch.
King Kong, I'm a dog. Doberman. Throw that ass back on that hammer, girl, I'm stroking it. Facebook poking it, crush busted open, bitch. This got high rollers written all over it. Yeah, she a hood bitch, I met her at Club Motion. 3 o'clock, I hop, 5 o'clock, I'm daddy stroking. She going hard and I like that shit. Throw that ass back, girl, fight that good. Fight that good, girl, fight that good. Throw that ass back, girl, fight that good.
Fight it. Fight it. Hey.
Yo, kamusta everyone? This is first one, yeah. And it's another one. Here we go. Kahit anong gawin ko, upang maalis lang sa isipan ko. Credit sa vibe beats. Paano mo sila kamusta? Kung paano ka tumingin sa downtown entertainment. Okay, biglang ang pro. Pintig ng puso ko. Hirap ko mang matamin sa'yo. Ako ay nabigat. Ako'y nasa isang ovation, isang celebration. If I'm not mistaken, yun natin tapos ng Paniwalang may kumisap sa gilid na parang diwatang galing pa sa lugar ng mga anghel. Kakaiba, ang ganda, para akong binaret sa puso. Ako'y na-stuck, feels like papaligiran tayo ng mga polis. Ang urban space ay nag-freeze, freeze. Parang kanta ni T-Pain na Chris Brown. Tulog niya para sa akin ay napakaganda. Sa pampilipinin, Pilipinas ang dating, she has the crown. Nasulat ko tong kantan to, cause for you I'm really down. Yo. Kahit anong gawin ko upang maalis lang sa isipan ko, kung paano mo sila kausapin, kung paano ka tumingin sa akin, talagang di ko kakayanin na pigilan ang tintig ng puso ko. Hirap ko mang matamin sa'yo, ako ay nabihan. Kami na mga nakuntahan ko, malamang nakatakita ko na hugis ng kanyang katawan, nakakaakit ng mata, malabos sila ng hugis niya. Hindi niyang nakakapagpapaba ng mga talak, hindi mo binalita na meron palang isang katulad niya. Kilos niya'y mahihi, mainang like ding-ding. Unang kita pala parang gusto ko na sugod na nasing-sing. Bawat galaw niya anino, yakin sinusundan. Pati paghawi ng kanyang buhok tinitingnan at pinagmamasdan ko siya bawat angulo. Ang tanong ko, gusto niya rin kaya ako? I don't know, marahil hindi siguradong di ako ang tipo niya. Di kagwapuhan, payat, walang pera at minsan lang pa. Pero wag ka, pagkat kahit ganito lang ako, meron akong isang bagay na tsak mapagmamalaki mo na ang lalaking to sinasabihan mang lagpa. May kasiguraduhan kang hanggang sa ulay mamahalin ka pa siya. Kahit anong gawin ko upang maalis lang sa isipan ko, kung paano mo sila kausapin, kung paano ka tumingin sa akin, talagang di ko kakayanin na pigilan ang tintig ng puso ko. Hirap ko mang matamin sa'yo, ako ay nabilang. Ang lumipas pagkatapos ng gabi na yun, hanggang ngayon di ko siya kilala. Sino ba yun? Anong kayang pangalan niya? Wala akong idea. I miss you, parang kanta ni Aliyah. It's been too long and I'm lost without you. Di ako makatulog sa'yo, what should I do? Di ko na bus mais na mangyayari sa'kin to. Ba't ganito aking hiling na sana'y balang araw ulit tayo'y magtagpo upang masabi ko sa'yo lahat ng aking nadarama sa'yo. Aking ipagtatapat na at kung mangyari man yun, di ko na papalampasin pa to. Ipapakita ko sa'yo, ako'y sobrang labihan mo, ako'y sobrang ilag sa'yo. Ipagsisigawan ko sa buong mundo, sa'yo lang ako nagkaganto. Yung pag nangyari to sa'yo ngayon, alam mo na, wag ka hayaang mawala pa siya sa oras na